Okay, so here is one of the fans in our vacation house here in Connecticut. This is the first one that's in the bedroom in the loft. This is a early 2010s Lasko WeatherShield 20-inch box fan. Now I know that this is a from the early 2010s because of the Lasko logo. It's not the American flag one, but it's not the modern one either. Now, I think that some of these made in the late 2010s actually did use the older Lasko logo, this one, but yeah, so here it is. It's got the WeatherShield logo on the handle, which I really like, and then the speed selector. It's a pretty decent speed selector. Okay, here is the motor. It's just your typical tuna can motor, as people call it, or I'm pretty sure Lasko calls it the Pro motor. Okay, so I just checked the bottom for a date code, but couldn't find one. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. Here is hello. I really like the sounds of these. Move some air on the speed. Relatively quiet. Yes, this does have a blue plug. There is medium. And this does make a scraping noise. I think there might be somehow the motor shaft might be scraping against something. Yeah, I really like the sounds of it on this speed. And then high speed, and it's pretty loud on this speed, but moves air. Now for the startup sounds, here is slow. Here is medium. And then here is high. So yeah, there it is. It doesn't have that much of a startup sound, but it kind of has one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over now.